Your front door is more than just an entryway, it's the first impression your home makes. In a community like the Villages, where beautiful homes line every street, enhancing your curb appeal can set your property apart while boosting comfort and security. One of the most impactful upgrades homeowners can make is a door replacement. Not only does it refresh the look of your home, but it also adds long-term value and practical benefits. Why your door matters when guests or neighbors walk by. The front door often stands out as the focal point of your home. Over time, doors can fade, warp, or simply fall out of style. A dated or damaged door can give the impression that the home is not well cared for. On the other hand, a new door, whether sleek and modern or charming and classic, instantly communicates pride of ownership. In the Villages, where many homeowners enjoy entertaining and maintaining beautiful exteriors, replacing your door is a simple yet powerful way to transform the overall look of your property. Enhancing aesthetic appeal. One of the biggest benefits of door replacement is the dramatic aesthetic upgrade. Today's market offers a wide variety of styles, materials, and finishes to complement your home's architecture. Classic wood doors. Timeless and elegant, they add warmth and sophistication. Fiberglass options. Designed to mimic the beauty of wood while offering durability and low maintenance. Steel doors. Ideal for a sleek, modern look with excellent strength. By choosing a design that aligns with your home's character, you can create a welcoming entrance that reflects your personal style. Boosting energy efficiency. Curb appeal isn't just about looks, efficiency matters too. Many homes in the Villages were built years ago, and older doors may not be well insulated. Drafty entryways can lead to higher energy bills, especially during Florida's hot summers. Modern replacement doors are built with energy efficiency in mind. Features like insulated cores, weather stripping, and advanced glass inserts help keep your home cooler and more comfortable while lowering energy costs. A well-sealed, energy-efficient door not only enhances curb appeal but also contributes to a more sustainable lifestyle. Improving home security. Your front door is also the primary barrier between your home and the outside world. Worn-out doors with weak frames or outdated locks may leave your home vulnerable. New replacement doors are designed with reinforced materials and advanced locking systems that provide peace of mind. Whether you choose steel, fiberglass, or reinforced wood, a new door ensures your family and belongings remain safe, all while improving the overall look of your property. Increasing property value. Door replacement is one of the highest return on investment projects for homeowners. Potential buyers often notice entryways first, and a stylish, sturdy, and energy-efficient door can increase your home's value significantly. In the Villages' competitive real estate market, this small improvement can help your home stand out. Even if you're not planning to sell soon, you'll enjoy the daily benefits of a fresh, secure, and attractive entryway. Choosing the right door for your home in the Villages. When selecting a new door, consider neighborhood style. Match your door to the look and feel of surrounding homes for seamless curb appeal. Material durability. Florida's climate brings heat, humidity, and occasional storms. Choosing weather-resistant materials ensures long-lasting performance. Customization options. Add decorative glass, side lights, or custom finishes to create a truly unique entrance. Professional installation is equally important. A properly fitted door ensures smooth operation, energy savings, and maximum security. Final thoughts. Replacing your front door may seem like a small upgrade, but it has a big impact on curb appeal, comfort, and value. In the Villages, where homeowners take pride in their properties, a new door is an investment that pays off immediately and for years to come. If you want to transform your home's first impression while enjoying added security and efficiency, consider a professional door replacement. It's a simple step that delivers stunning results.